The invention of the telephone. 1876. Long ago, people could only send messages by letters or telegraph. It was slow and sometimes messages were lost. But in 1876, a man named Alexander Graham Bell changed the world with a great invention, the telephone. Alexander Graham Bell was a teacher and scientist. He was very interested in sound and how people communicate. He wanted to help deaf people, but while working on sound machines, he had a new idea. What if people could talk to each other through wires? He worked day and night in his lab with his assistant, Thomas Watson. One day, Bell spoke into the machine and said, "Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you." Watson, in another room, heard the words clearly. It was the first telephone call in history. Later that year, Bell showed his invention to the public. People were amazed. It was the first time they saw a machine that could carry a human voice. The telephone quickly became popular, first in the United States, then around the world. The invention of the telephone changed the way people live. It became easier to talk to friends and family far away. Today, we use smartphones, but it all started with Bell's simple machine in 1876. Thanks to Alexander Graham Bell, the world became a smaller and more connected place.